Hey, what's up, y'all? I was just installing the Diode Dynamics LED tailless turn. I was showing you the difference. So this is after you install it for the with an LED reverse light, and that's how it is stock. So up front, it's the stock DRLs and fog lights. On the inside, I have the Govee RGB LEDs from Amazon. And then back here you can see that's with the brakes. That's with reverse. And I noticed here with the left turn signal that the fourth brake light is flashing. It doesn't do it with the right, but then it does it again when the flashers are on. So if you know what that's about, leave a comment below.